What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. I am back with another Milady meme coin video, guys. Ladies, you know, holding up pretty well, going sideways, you know how it is, guys. We won't see those crazy pumps just yet, but I'm telling you, it will happen. Just wait until the bull cycle comes around and then we get a ton of new retail into the space. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project, guys. You already know how it goes. I'm sure a lot of you guys are already like keen to investing and veterans in the space by now. But yeah, no video yesterday because of Elon and this rate limit situation. Let me get your thoughts on that in the comments section. But yeah, I didn't have any tweets set aside, and then all of a sudden I couldn't check any tweets at all. I was like, what's going on? So yeah, no video, kind of ruined my streak. I have posted for like 36 days in a row. But yeah, we'll start the streak once again from here. And you know, we're back to checking out ladies, guys. Also support my previous videos on ladies. Make sure you guys blow them up. Let's make these videos go viral, guys. But yeah, ladies still up 2x from when I first started to cover it on the channel. It's having a bit of a retrace right now. The markets aren't looking that great. This is a weekend though. Normally on the weekends we are very slow. I like that CoinMarketCap updated the fear and greed index every time you check CoinMarketCap. It's strange that we're in 61 greed when the market doesn't feel like it at all, right? It doesn't feel like 61 greed, guys. But yeah, lady sitting at $31.2 million in market cap, $5.2 million in 24-hour trade volume, up 12% on the trade volume. That's very nice. So we're having a bit of a retrace coming on to in the weekend. From tomorrow when the stock markets open, we'll see how the markets are throughout the rest of the week, if we're gonna get a bounce from here, or we might retrace down to a level, find support, and then get a bounce with ladies, guys. So don't rule out these possibilities. But like I said, guys, I do believe this project has a lot going for it as far as a meme coin project. It has that stability now and a ton of liquidity, so it's gonna be stable until the bull market comes around. Remember, shiba was on the blockchain for a good amount of time, right? In 2020 it was on the blockchain, basically not doing anything, just there, going sideways for a minute, right? Then all of a sudden it had that huge explosion. But when did it have that explosion? In the bull run, right? So I could say the same thing could possibly happen here for ladies. We'll have some nice little moves to the upside, some corrections along the way. But going into the bull run, I expect a huge explosion for this project, man. So if you didn't have a good entry in ladies, now is the time when you get in, guys, when the markets are red, when the price is red, right? I know this is a meme coin, but we see meme coins have huge upside, right? This is listed on KuCoin and crypto.com. I think crypto.com I know crypto.com doesn't have many meme coins listed on it. So, right, when all the meme coins on crypto.com starts to explode, I think ladies will be one of those ones, right? Because it's only like 4 meme coins on crypto.com, 3 or 4 or 5, somewhere, something in that range, right? So yeah, guys, don't rule out these possibilities, man. Like I said, 100x is definitely on, well, not definitely, but 100x to 300x is potentially on the table for ladies, guys. Don't fade Elon as well. From 2E07, ladies, boom. Look at this, Edward Craven, ladies still holding, but who else is regretting holding and not hourly traded with how volatile it's been? Meme coins are typically volatile. Dev team, stop with the stupid picks and do something for the community, aka that 25% that's still mysteriously locked away in the meantime. Then he went on to talk about the other project. July Mooners talking about ladies. A few bearish comments now. Peter, ladies, time to buy. That's what I'm saying. People are a little bit bearish right now. I'm bullish on ladies. We soon recover and then go to the moon from DJ. Awesome. I'm bullish on ladies, Mr. Crypto. Alex, bullish on ladies. Creative Solutions had to buy the ladies dip, just bought 15 billion. I know the reward will be great. It will get listed on other platforms and the market cap will rise. Patience. Stat this 15 billion on the top of the 105 billion that I bought a while back. Wow, 105 billion. So now he has like 115 billion. That's a nice bag. I'm holding all and not selling anytime soon, just to show the haters I don't just post. I buy the dip. I do it too. Could have taken some profit when it was at 6, when it was in the 6s, but I didn't and won't, because this project will outperform others in my opinion. And you see that like right here, right on crypto.com, there's only a few meme coins listed on crypto.com. Pepe, Floki, Sheeb, and Ladies is one of them. There's not much meme coins, right? And we know retail investors love meme coins, and I'm betting on the chance that when retail flows back into the space, a lot of meme coins will explode, but it will only be the meme coins on tier 1 exchanges, right? Those are the ones, well, obviously there's going to be meme coins that explode on dexes as well, but the ones that are on tier 1 exchanges will get a ton of retail buying them. That's why Shiba went to such an insane level. I think it got listed on Robinhood, and then it's so much easier for people to buy, right, when they're on tier 1 exchanges. So crypto.com KuCoin for Milady meme coin is great. And again, we can't rule out a Coinbase or Binance listing, right? I think Coinbase might even list this before Binance does, right? So yeah guys, this is what you got to look out for, right? 66.7k followers on Twitter. Break free from the ordinary ladies is pushing the envelope with options trading, paving the way for a meme coin revolution. Get ready to challenge conventions and seize the internet destiny. Stay tuned for the release. So they're working on an options trading platform. I really am interested to see how is it different from other options trading platforms, guys. But the great part is that the ladies token is now adding some type of utility, right? We see I always bring up Baby Doge. Baby Doge's utility, which they recently unveiled after having no utility, right? They had 0 utility and went to $1 billion market cap off an Elon tweet. Now ladies has the Elon tweet locked in, right? That is super bullish. They have the Elon tweet locked in, right? And nobody knows the future, right? We saw Elon make a tweet with the psyop in the meme, and psyop absolutely crushed it. That's a DeFi project that has a ton of controversy around it, and it absolutely sent. So who knows if there's another Milady meme that Elon tweets, and then guess who's gonna get the shine for it? Milady meme coin ladies, right? But talking about Baby Doge, they didn't have any utility and went to $1 billion in market cap, and they recently, sometime around the end of last year, finally got a utility with Baby Doge swap, right? And now the project is a much more stable, much more usable meme coin. A lot of people on Binance Smart Chain use Baby Doge swap, right? So with the lady token, they introduce an options trading. It gives them some type of utility to last for the long term, for the long run, or at least until going into the next bull market, where we'll see an explosion. I'm telling you guys, this next bull market will blow a lot of people away. A lot of people won't be expecting it, and I think the ROIs, some of the best ROIs will be from proof of work projects and meme coins. Proof of work layer ones, because they're not securities, they're commodities. That's, in my opinion, the next trend to blow up. And meme coins like Milady meme coin, right? With ladies options trading, turn your memes into strategic assets and explore a whole new dimension of meme investing. Stay tuned for the release. I'm waiting for it, man. And we can see right here from L Bank, this is a exchange that a lot of the degens, people that are on DeFi, they are always on Uniswap, Ethereum. They use this exchange a lot. And the top trending meme coins right now on the weekly is ladies. Ladies is one of the top trending meme coins, guys. I really think out of all the meme coins that we could see here, ladies is one of them that's gonna stand the test of time, or at least until the next bull cycle. You can see it from the chart, it's holding up so well, holding up very steady, right? From Mike Crypto Hodler, let's go ladies, buy ladies, can't wait for the next big exchange to pump. Come on, Coinbase and Binance. That's what I'm expecting to see, man. That Coinbase listing for ladies could be next. I think the Coinbase listing will become before Binance, because if you take a look at this, right, Coinbase experimental asset. So Coinbase lists projects under their experimental asset label, right? And this is a way for them to list projects that are lower in market cap or have a lot more volatility. And I think ladies falls right under that, under that label, right? It's already listed on KuCoin, crypto.com. I think the next step would be Coinbase, right? And then Binance, after that, right? Yeah, to be transparent and help customers make informed decisions, we've added an experimental asset label to certain tradable assets that are either new to our platform or have relatively low trading volume compared to our broader crypto marketplace, right? The requirements for identifying assets as experimental may change over time due to market conditions. We're constantly monitoring the assets on our platform and may remove the label when an asset no longer meets the criteria. This is how I would see ladies getting listed on Coinbase, and I wouldn't rule out that possibility at all. Nobody expected Pepe to get on Binance, so you can't rule out anything in crypto. From Main City Empire, Elon tweeted about ladies before Pepe. He obviously knows something we don't. This is valuable. There is no meme. I love you. This will go down in history, right? Just like the Baby Doge tweet. I remember it clear as day when the Baby Doge tweet happened, and I remember when Elon tweeted this moment, right? This goes down in history, and that's why I say don't fade Milady Memecoin, man. From SigP, yep, got a little more. Just purchased 2.5 billion ladies, and you see where he's buying from? Crypto.com. Mondo replying, it's hard not to, right? This is why I say a lot of retail investors, or investors, I would say, in the United States region, they use Crypto.com a ton. That is one of their go-to exchanges. Crypto.com is, and Crypto.com continues to grow, continues to evolve as an exchange. And that is where I think a lot of investors will see the ladies project and think, whoa, this could make a ton of ROI, man. And that's gonna be going into the bull cycle. Obviously, we could see more tier ones like Coinbase and Binance, but it being on Crypto.com gives it so much accessibility to the average investor who isn't really on Uniswap and ETH, the Ethereum blockchain, as much, right? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, ladies fam. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, guys. We'll see what happens with the chart. Like I said, we could see more of a retrace, find support, and then bounce from that support. Let me take a look at the candlesticks. So yeah, we could come back down. Let's take a look at well, these candlesticks are terrible. let me go to trading view real quick for you guys, just to close out the video, just to see where ladies could retrace to. I think we could see a retrace into this previous support area, right? Retraces to this support, and then maybe accumulation from this area, and then a bounce from here. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Ladies, to me, super bullish. Like I always say, it is a very bullish project. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, and also please become a Patreon member. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier, where you get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. All the altcoins I cover outside of my YouTube videos will be posted on the Patreon specifically, so don't miss out on these opportunities. Blow this video up, blow up my previous ladies videos, guys. Get this to 10,000 views. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are gonna crush it with ladies from here, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna be up and up from here. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.